Robinhood is teasing Shiba Inu holders. Here's how. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my analysis on this coin and how Robinhood could be adding it very soon. And make sure to pick up a free stock with public hit or link down in the description below. When you guys use that link, not only can you now support and buy and sell Shiba Inu on their platform, as well as they recently have added it to their token roster of tradable tokens, but also you guys can get a free stock when you use our link and deposit $1. But either way, guys, it's a great win-win for both of us. Let us know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. I know right now we're seeing a little bit of a red day, so let us know how strong the army still is. If you're still holding, let us know in the comments below and everything in between. But either than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, guys, Shiba Inu, we're down about 25% just over the last 24 hours. Unfortunate, right? Just kind of sucky, sad overall. And I get it, right? You guys are probably upset about this and you guys are probably worried and fearful. And again, I released a video already about this topic literally not that long ago, guys. You guys can check it out if you'd like. We released it today just about why this is happening, right? The FUD, the uncertainty, what's happening in the market and everything. So again, if you guys want to check that video out, it's up on our channel already. You guys can check it out. It's like same day, basically. So, but anyways, guys, again, whale movement, activity, FUD, all kinds of stuff. That's kind of the main reason why we're dropping today. But I want to talk about something that I think will take us beyond that. Our old friend, Robinhood, right? I think that this is a catalyst that still rings in the ears of every single Shiba Inu holder. And of course it's relevant, right? And again, I see a lot of comments. I will totally acknowledge you guys. I see a lot of comments that say, well, we don't need Robinhood, or Robinhood, is irrelevant anyways. And who cares? Not even that many people use it. And again, I'm gonna have to disagree with you. I think that Robinhood is still a major catalyst for this coin. And I still think that if they were to list Shiba Inu, we still would see a lot of, well, big price hikes and very much a huge potential with the adding of that coin. And the reason I say that is because Robinhood is so accessible, right? It is so easy to use. Even if you discount their millions and millions of users, their new crypto platform that they're starting to add. I mean, again, Robinhood has very simple to understand AI, or UI rather. And the UI on their platform is so incredibly easy to understand that you have very young kids, right? 18-year-olds and even people who are below, that's not financial advice. People who are investing, who probably shouldn't be investing, are still using it because it's so easy to use and understand, right? So again, Shiba Inu being added to that platform, if anything, is just another plus. It's another catalyst. But let's read this, right? Let's talk about Robinhood and kind of where we're at in that whole news cycle. And we have an interesting development that I think is very relevant to talk about. So Robinhood is teasing the Shiba Inu community as petition to list Shib comes close to 500,000 signatures. So we just recently hit, I believe, the 300,000 mark, literally about a week and a half ago, which is obviously a very big deal. And the fact that we are pushing closer to that now is obviously very awesome to see. Now, let's scroll down here because this is the big one, guys. So on Robinhood app's Instagram, right? So we had a nice little multiple choice kind of question here. Robinhood learned, that's kind of like their hashtag under it. A cryptocurrency is only as strong as its community, Elon Musk wants it to be, or the number of Shib comments. Interesting. They're officially now referring to Shib not only by name, obviously, but also they are aware of the amount of comments that people leave for them, not only under their Twitter, but in their Instagram and everything in between. And guys, this is true. If you guys look, I'm not going to pull it up right now, obviously, because we're in the middle of this, but if you guys look at Twitter, Instagram, anything Robinhood related on social media platforms, you guys can see in the comments, it is the whole Shib army, right? The whole Shib army is showing up and demanding that Robinhood be listed, or asking, hey, when Shib, right? When is Shib getting listed to this platform? So again, they're aware, right? They're totally aware. The fact that they are posting this is very obvious. It's a very obvious tell. And again, if anything, maybe this is kind of a lead up or kind of a rollout to their either, listing their new coins, or they're trying to get their cryptocurrency wallet kind of more up to date and more available, I guess, to people. Again, it's a very interesting post, and I think that they wouldn't make it, it's this specific, right? Unless there was some reason behind it. Now, let's talk about the signatures, right? Nearly 500,000 signatures. The clamor of Shiba Inu fans has been extremely hard to ignore for Robinhood. A Change.org position to add the canine cryptocurrency to the popular online brokerage platform has now collected a whopping 485,000 signatures. Incredible, guys. The Shiba Inu army is really unstoppable with this kind of stuff, guys. The fact that we were able to push forward to that mark is incredible. Again, this is like really, I mean, at this rate, we'll hit 1 million signatures relatively soon, right? Again, I really think it's realistic that we will get there pretty quickly. So let's keep going. The proponents of the hottest meme coin argue that the listing could be a shot in the arm for the company's struggling cryptocurrency business. And that was the other thing that a lot of people talked about, myself included, in all of our Robinhood videos, right? Was the fact that Robinhood recently reported Q3 earnings and its cryptocurrency revenue was garbage, guys. Nobody cares about Dogecoin anymore. Nobody really buys the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, any of the other kind of cryptocurrencies that are already listed on their platform to begin with. And Dogecoin was kind of a big pull for them for a while there, especially when it was kind of a meme coin and Elon Musk was talking about it and everything in between. But again, if Shiba Inu was added to their roster of tradable tokens, I really think that it would, like they said in the article, be a shot to the arm, right, as far as success. But again, I think it would be even more than that. It would maybe create a culture of adding new cryptos and hopefully pushing Robinhood into the 21st century of cryptocurrency trading. Again, that's my take on it, but either way. And again, Robinhood is in no hurry to list Shib. That's kind of their take on this too. Again, despite immense demand, Robinhood is biding its time and adding Shiba Inu to its platform. And basically just says Vlad, CEO, kind of is being very vague on what he's saying about Shiba Inu and how he doesn't want to be the first to act. And we've went over that in a couple other videos. But again, let's talk about this, right? So we're pulling back, lots of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, right? Let's say Robinhood gets added relatively soon, right? And again, we still have to kind of flatline off, or we have to, well, build, I guess you could say, support off of this little bit of a pullback here. Again, it seems to me that we're starting to kind of consolidate around here as far as price action goes just over the last like 30 minutes here. We were a little bit lower here on that wick. And again, if we can start consolidating at these levels, I'm gonna still be very bullish, guys, because again, as you can see, we have still run up a significant amount. October alone, we ran up over 1,000%. So again, a pullback at this point is not surprising in my opinion. We were gonna have to have some kind of correction. It's the only way to keep a market healthy. And again, it unfortunately happened with a combination of things, right? The whale started moving around trillions of tokens between wallet to wallet. People got scared. A lot of people paper-handed and sold out and didn't hodl. And then of course too, there's a lot of stuff with the circulating supply, right? How it recently got updated on the Shiba swap calculator, which unfortunately was not the number that everyone was expecting. And again, that made more people worry. So again, there's a lot of weird glitches and issues going on behind the scenes. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think, right? What you guys think about all of this. If you think that there's some kind of, weird conspiracy or maybe even some kind of weird back end stuff happening where people are trying to screw over the progress of this coin, let me know in the comments below, guys, because we always love to hear and see your thoughts. But again, if we can form support around this level and continue to trade sideways, I'm going to be very bullish and continue to, well, I'm going to continue to do what I always do, whether it continues to dip or goes up 1,000,000% either way. Well, maybe not 1,000,000%, but either way, if it dips down, I'm gonna still hold, right? And again, you guys gotta make the best decision for yourself at the end of the day. I'm not gonna tell you guys to buy, to sell, whatever. You guys need to do what's best for you. If you don't wanna invest in this coin because you're worried that you might lose your whole investment, again, that's up to you at the end of the day. That is your call. At the end of the day, I hold, right? I hodl, and if anything, I'm gonna buy the dips, and that's what I'm gonna do. Not telling you guys that you need to do that. Again, make your own decisions, be aware of what's going on with this coin if you're holding it, right? Because this coin can change in an instant. We've seen it before. We've seen all of just the dramatic price action surrounding this coin and everything in between, guys. But again, keep it locked here. Make sure you subscribe because we're always bringing you guys the latest and up-to-date information about Shiba Inu. But other than that, that's pretty much it today for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. You guys can pick up a free stock with public. Hit our link down in the description below. When you use that link, not only does it help support the channel, but it also, of course, gives you guys a free stock. And you guys can start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well, as they've recently added it to their roster of tradable tokens. Make sure to like the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe too, because we're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by Christmas. Again, there's not much left as far as time to get there. But again, guys, you guys always blow us away with the incredible support that you guys show in every single video. And again, we have always been proven wrong when we think that just when we think it's done, it's never done. You guys are always amazing with everything that you guys do. So again, we appreciate your support immensely. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.